In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 controller not connecting. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your PS5 controller will not connect, there's a few quick things that you should try. The first thing you're going to want to do is charge your controller. I know this might seem obvious, but essentially just plug a USB-C cable into your controller and connect the other end to either your PS5 or your wall charger, or even a PC for that matter, and just let it charge for at least 1 to 2 hours. Sometimes the controller is just completely dead and will not connect at all until it has enough battery. If charging it doesn't fix it, the controller may have lost its connection to the console, so plug the controller into your PS5 using that same USB-C cable or even a different USB-C cable, and then just press the PlayStation button in the middle of the controller and this will usually reconnect it instantly. If it still will not connect though, what you're going to want to do is reset the controller. You can do this by flipping the controller over to the back and you're going to see a small little reset hole. It's going to be kind of towards the very bottom of that controller. Essentially, just go ahead and press it down using a pen or a paper clip and hold it down for about 5 seconds. And after resetting, plug that controller back into your PS5 with the USB-C cable and then just press that PlayStation button again. This is going to repair the controller and repair it to your console. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.